Morning ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris Oz Canopies and 4x4 back here again. We've got today an LDV T60 Max. That's getting one of our hard lids on there. Very, very straightforward. Install a bit of assembly, a bit of fitting, and a bit of getting right to it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process of this Hardlid. The guys are just putting the final touches on it now. You can see we're going through the water test, making sure that it is as watertight as it can be. Lid is very, very straightforward. A pair of rails on top comes standard, black aluminium, powder coated, up to 300 kilograms loading capacity, beautiful in its simplicity. If you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to get it. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, you know what to do, and we'll see you guys on the next one.